Hey there! I am a professional Android developer with hundreds of apps built for my clients and earning thousands of dollars monthly from my apps released in Play Store. So, what are the benefits of using RXJava or reactive programming? First, RXJava allows you to do more with less work. You can process higher loads of data with fewer threads of execution. RXJava allows you to serve more requests concurrently and to handle operations with latency. You can provide a better quality of service and a predictable capacity planning by dealing natively with time and latency without consuming more resources. The great advantage of reactive programming over other programming styles is lower memory consumption. By writing reactive code, you can create applications with a great user experience, and therefore the users will love your app and you can earn more money from your apps because it is simply awesome. Your app reacts faster and users will prefer your app over others. If you don't use reactive programming, your app will crash more often because of memory problems and the users will be disappointed and therefore they will uninstall your app from their device and your income from your apps decreases dramatically. By using RXJava or reactive programming, you can avoid callback hell. You can do a lot simpler async or threaded work. You can use a lot of operators that simplify work. You can simply compose streams of data instantly. You can do complex threading very easy. And finally, you can write more cleaner and readable code base. So what is RXJava? RXJava is a Java virtual machine implementation of reactive extensions. What is reactive extensions? It's a library for composing asynchronous and event-based programs by using observable sequences. So here we can see we have asynchronous and event-based. Let's see what is asynchronous. It means that different parts of a program run simultaneously. So for example, when you are interacting with an application, your application can simultaneously download an image from the server and it can also download a song from another server. So this is called simultaneously implementing two tasks. And we are going to implement these specific tasks using asynchronous programming. So now let's see what is event-based. It refers to the events generated while the program is running. When you click on a button or view, an event is going to be generated, and the program's event handler listens or receives that event and does some work. So this is called event-based programming. With that said, what does reactive programming mean? In reactive programming, observables emit data and send it to the subscribers. So this means that observables are the data source. and we have the subscribers to listen to the data emitted by the observables. This can be seen as data being pushed. Reactive programming means you are doing all your I/O bound tasks such as network calls asynchronously. For example, if your application calls an external REST API or a database, you can do that invocation asynchronously. Well, the action steps to master RXJava or Android reactive programming are as follow. First, create your first Android RxJava app. RxJava Basics, Master Retrofit, RxJava 1.0 usage, SQLite and schedulers, error handling and SQLite data reading mastery, RxJava and activity lifecycle, writing custom observables, advanced observable flows, higher level abstractions, and subject and preference persistence. So these are the action steps that we need to follow in order to master the Android reactive. Here is what you do now. Move on to the next section of the course and create your first RxJava Android app step by step. I look forward to seeing you in the next section.